Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at that pesky GE oven error code F91 on your 2025 model, don't panic. We're here to help you get your kitchen back in action. This error typically signals a problem with the oven door lock mechanism, which might be caused by a faulty switch, debris, or even a simple reset issue. It's a common glitch, but with a few straightforward steps, you can often fix it yourself. Before we dive in, remember safety first. Always unplug your oven and let it cool down completely to avoid any risks. Let's get started. Step 1. Unplug your GE oven from the wall outlet and wait for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and is often the easiest fix. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on to see if the error code has disappeared. If it persists, move to Step 2. Inspect the oven door. Open and close it gently, checking for any obstructions like food crumbs, grease buildup, or a misaligned seal. Clean the area around the door latch thoroughly with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Make sure the door closes smoothly and latches properly. If it doesn't, that could be the culprit. Step 3. If the error still shows up, you might need to check the door lock switch. This involves accessing the back or underside of the oven, so grab a screwdriver if needed, but proceed with caution. Locate the switch and ensure it's not stuck or damaged. Gently clean it or try resetting it, but if you're unsure, it's better not to force anything. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to call in a professional. Contact GE customer support or a certified technician to diagnose any deeper electrical issues. Regular maintenance, like keeping your oven clean and updating its software if available, can prevent future errors. Thanks for watching, and remember, with a little troubleshooting, you'll be baking again in no time. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips.